What's up, guys? It's Jordan here, J&Rs Garage. Today we're just going to do something pretty simple. We're going to paint the calipers on an '06 Dodge Charger. It's a police package, but we've been slowly kind of making it look like an RT. I think it looks pretty good. Let's do it. What's up, guys? So I got one side done and it looks pretty good. Check it out. Yeah, boy. Had a couple leftover Brembo stickers from a different little build we did. Yeah. Looking tight, looking right. Did the back, already put the wheel back on. See it tucked in there. Looks pretty sick. It's a pretty simple job, and we'll show you a couple tips and tricks along the way. It's not a how-to, because this is J&R's Garage.
I'ma keep them eating shit whatever it is fed to them. I be making sure they get a taste of their own medicine. Whatever, man. Knock it down, go check it then. Who it is, search a kid, go ahead and let them in. I've been feeling better than I have fucking never been. If I had one bet, I would go ahead and bet I'd win. See me looking flashy, rolling in the baddest rims. Every time I'm passing them, the police keep harassing them. So I just looking back at them to see what the happening, and then I start asking them, what y'all want from me? Still spinning, we all got women, the dream still winning. So what y'all want from me? Still flocking, the phone still popping, the beat still copping. So what y'all want from me? Still falling, the fiend still calling, that's why I'm going all in. So what y'all want from me? Still dropping, the chicken still hopping before we go shopping. So what y'all want from me? It's new swag, ask me where I get it from. I say from your mama, thank you, no more questions, your honor, everything I got and what I got, proper, get trapped and fly off in helicopters, offer, got people asking if I'm coming back, not surge, every motherfucker that step, yeah, God serve, motherfuckers don't even rap, oh sure, got work, did my thing, yeah, you know I dropped dirt, almost got clapped, but a motherfucker stop first. Yeah, you know I love it too much, but I got chopped first. Now I stack up all that bread, come to my concert. See me looking flashy and rolling in the baddest rims. Every time I'm passing them, the police keep harassing them. So I just looking back at them to see what the fuck's happening. And then I start asking them, what y'all want from me? Still spinning, we all got women, the dream still winning. So what y'all want from me? Still flying, still what y'all want from me? Still falling, the fiend still calling, that's why I'm going all in. So what y'all want from me? Still dropping, the chicken still hopping before we go shopping. So what y'all?
So that is it for today. We painted the calipers.
Get them to see what the fuck's happening, and then I start asking them, what y'all want from me? Still spinning, we got still with me. So what y'all want from me? So what y'all want from me? Still what y'all want from me? Still dropping, the chicken still hopping before we go shopping. What y'all want from me?
What's up, guys? That's it for today. Calipers painted, reassembled, burnout, done, achieved. Thanks for watching. We'll be dropping new content hopefully every week. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. See you next time.